Morning, ma'am. I found two old magazines and an empty cosmetic pouch left by guest. I'll record this item in the register as. Good. What will you do next? Since both items are non-valuable, I will tag them under the non-valuable category with today's date, number, and my initials. Place them in the non-valuable item storage area. Arrange properly in case the guest returns to claim them. Very good, Ronaldie. Make sure they are easy to locate if someone asks for them. Yes, ma'am. Everything is now recorded, tagged, and stored correctly.